So it's going to be a 1-pot meal, but we start with 2 pots. Boil the water, add the Alfredo fettuccine there. And on this side, Luca is sauteing the garlic with butter and
cinnamon,
olive oil, and cinnamon.
When is it gonna be ready?
Wait, I need to use a knife here because I am done with the chicken getting into my nails. So
Chicken is entering your nails.
Yes. So now we are about to add the chicken in there.
Okay, so I want to do that.
I'll add and you continue stirring, Chef Luca.
Okay.
I'll just leave one hand because the hand feels getting the chicken anyway. So here, just slice the chicken a little bit. I'm supposed to do a neat job. Okay, so we'll go this way.
This mustard is not really good.
Smells good.
This mustard smells good. I touched some, but not for long. Some like it. I'm like about to. That's hot.
All right. So we'll start with this while all this cooks. So you add the chicken. Okay, look at just stand aside a little bit, just a little bit until it doesn't splash on your face. I'll never forgive myself. Now you can go on. Alright, the pasta is going.
I like the blue shot.
8 minutes to 7, Jamie.
almost.
Yeah.
So many.
There we go.
Next.
Oh, so you have to saute until the chicken is done. So that will be perfect to continue when the chicken has cooked. So we're going to add a little salt. And the chef has added the salt. And he will continue mixing it up. Oh.
I only said one hand.
And after a few minutes, he's going to add the Trader Joe's Alfredo sauce. And after he adds the Alfredo sauce, the pasta here is still going. This is the fettuccine. It's a little bit tough, this one. Usually try to get the gluten-free. It cooks faster. But anyway, when that one cooks, Luca is going to add some Alfredo sauce here. And then the pasta here. And then when he's done, he is going to sprinkle a little cinnamon. And it will be ready to serve. Chicken Alfredo Luca's way.
Yippee!
You know what?
His Alfredo sauce. He just finished pouring the last of it. Finish pouring it in, Luca.
Okay.
Finish pouring. the Alfredo sauce in the chicken mixture. And so now he is going to add the pasta. This is fettuccine, so it will go there, and Luca will continue stirring.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Are you sure?
I don't think. Yeah, just do a little.
Okay.
Karoga, karoga, karoga.
Okay. I can hold it.
Thank you. Good job. All right, that's good.
You know, I feel like eating
it might
this.
splatter. So, sour, Luca, that's good. Good job.
Okay, we are starting for how many minutes and it's ready?
And then, don't forget, we're going to sprinkle the parsley and some cinnamon.
Okay.
Oh, my body is feeling
Okay, this is going to be
heat.
hot. Yeah, it's okay, Luca. Thank you, my darling. Garnish this Alfredo with some, just pour it in. You might even use it all. Luca, just pour it in here. Just this whole thing. Shake it all.
A mix of parsley and a dash of cinnamon.
Ah, I'm getting crazy with this.
Be careful. If you feel hot, just tell me. Don't pass up here, chef. Good job.
Yeah, we're good to go. It's ready to eat.
Parmesan cheese, and this one is shredded Parmesan cheese from Italy.
Yeah, I'm gonna get crazy. I wanna do this.
Okay. Get the other packet and put it all in there.
Oh, yeah.
Sprinkle. There you go. Wow.
That's
We're done?
We'll kind of
And I
just
have a
spread the
long
Parmesan
plate.
a little bit.
Okay, along.
Okay.
Shakura tayari. Mashakura.
Chicken Alfredo is ready.